Welcome back to Speakup with Emma English podcast. You made it to day 4 of our 10-day English Fluency challenge. Yesterday, we practiced talking about your day, weekend plans, ordering food at a restaurant, and having a natural conversation with a friend. Today, we're going to continue with more real-life English situations. We'll practice shopping, asking for help, and meeting new people. And of course, we'll listen, repeat, and speak together. David is here with me again. Hi, David. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. I'm feeling better. I'm still making mistakes, but I'm not as nervous as before.
That's wonderful. Remember, mistakes are proof that you're trying. The more you practice speaking, the more confident you become. So today, don't think too much. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Perfect. Let's continue our English speaking practice. All right, everyone. Now let's go shopping. David, you're the customer, and I'll be the shop assistant. Imagine you're looking for a t-shirt. Let's practice. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Great. What color do you like? We have black, white, blue, and red.
I like blue. Can I see the blue one?
Of course. Here it is. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
It's right over there on the left.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Perfect, David. Shopping in English is very simple when you know these phrases. Can I see? Where is? I'm looking for. These are super helpful. And everyone, try saying them out loud. Now let's practice another important situation. Imagine you're lost and you need directions. David, imagine you're looking for the train station. Let's practice asking for help.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station. Do you know where it is?
Yes, it's very close. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll see it on your right.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too.
Excellent. See? Don't be afraid to ask for help. When you're traveling or you're in a new place, these simple sentences can help you communicate. Now, let's practice meeting someone new. David, imagine we just met at a party. I'll start the conversation.
Okay. Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Hi, David. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too. So what do you do?
I'm a student. I'm studying business. How about you?
Oh, interesting. I'm an English teacher. I help people learn English every day.
That's amazing. Actually, I'm learning English right now. It's challenging, but I enjoy it.
That's great. If you ever need help, feel free to ask me.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Anytime. Beautiful. When you meet new people, just be polite, ask questions, and listen. It's that simple.
That conversation feels much easier now.
Exactly. You don't need complicated English. You need useful English that you can actually use. Okay, David. You're doing so well. Now let's move to the listen and repeat section. Everyone, this is one of the most important parts of your speaking practice. I'm going to say useful English sentences. David will repeat with you. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. Ready? Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
I'm doing great, thank you.
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
I studied English yesterday.
I studied English yesterday.
I watched a video online.
I watched a video online.
I ate dinner with my family.
I ate dinner with my family.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Do you have any plans this weekend?
I'm going to visit my friend.
I'm going to visit my friend.
I'm planning to stay at home.
I'm planning to stay at home.
Can I have a chicken sandwich, please?
Can I have a chicken sandwich, please?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Where is the train station?
Where is the train station?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
It's challenging, but I enjoy it.
It's challenging, but I enjoy it.
I want to speak fluently.
I want to speak fluently.
I practice every day.
I practice every day.
I'm making progress.
I'm making progress.
I feel more confident now.
I feel more confident now.
I don't give up.
I don't give up.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Wow, David. You did amazing. Everyone, did you repeat those sentences out loud? If not, rewind and do it again. Repetition is the key to fluency. The more you repeat, the more natural your English becomes. Great job. All right. Now let's learn some super useful vocabulary. These are words and phrases you'll use every day. I'll explain each one in simple English, give you an example, and David will answer a question. Let's start. The word is plan. Plan is something you decide to do in the future. For example, I have a plan to study English every day. David, do you have a plan for tomorrow?
Yes. My plan is to practice English for 30 minutes.
Perfect. That's a great plan. The word is fluently. When you speak fluently, it means you speak smoothly and easily without stopping too much. For example, I want to speak English fluently. David, do you want to speak fluently?
Yes, that's my goal. But right now, I still think too much when I speak.
That's okay. The more you practice, the more fluently you'll speak. Trust me, the word is appreciate. When you appreciate something, it means you are thankful for it. For example, I really appreciate your help. David, can you use this word in a sentence?
I appreciate this English lesson.
Thank you, David. I appreciate you too. The word is confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself. When you have confidence, you feel strong and sure. For example, I'm building my confidence in speaking English. David, do you feel more confident now?
Yes, I feel more confident than yesterday. This practice really helps.
That's wonderful. Confidence grows with practice. The word is challenging. Something challenging is difficult but in a good way. It makes you stronger. For example, learning English is challenging, but I enjoy it. David, what's challenging for you in English?
For me, pronunciation is challenging. Some words are difficult to say.
That's very common. But you know what? The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Keep going. The word is progress. Progress means improvement. When you make progress, you get better. For example, I'm making progress in English every day. David, are you making progress?
Yes, I think I am. I understand more and I can speak a little faster now.
Exactly. That's progress. Be proud of yourself. The word is practice. Practice means doing something again and again to improve. For example, I practice speaking English every day. David, how do you practice English?
I watch videos like this and I repeat sentences. Sometimes I talk to myself in English.
That's perfect. Talking to yourself is a great way to practice. Keep doing that. All right. Those are 7 super useful words. Plan, fluently, appreciate, confidence, challenging, progress, practice. Write them down, use them in sentences, and practice them every day. Vocabulary is power. Okay, everyone. Now it's quiz time. I'm going to ask David some simple questions, and he'll try to answer. You can answer too. Let's see how much we remember. Ready, David?
I'm ready. I'm a little nervous, but let's try.
Don't worry. These are easy. Here's the first question. Question 1. How do you ask for food at a restaurant?
Can I have a sandwich, please?
Perfect. Exactly right. You can say, "Can I have?" or "I'd like." Both are polite and natural. Question 2. If someone asks you, "How are you today?" what do you say?
I say, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Excellent. Always ask back. It's polite and friendly. Question 3. What does fluently mean?
It means speaking smoothly and easily without stopping too much.
Yes. Perfect explanation. Question 4. If you want to thank someone, what can you say?
I can say, thank you so much, or I really appreciate it.
Beautiful. Both are great. You're doing amazing, David. Question 5. What did you do yesterday? Answer in the past tense.
Yesterday, I studied English. I watched a video and I practiced speaking.
Perfect. You used the past tense correctly. I'm so proud of you. Wow, David. You got everything right. And everyone watching, I hope you answered too. If you made a mistake, don't worry. Just keep practicing. Let's move to the speaking tips now. All right, everyone. I want to share 5 powerful speaking tips with you. These tips will help you speak English more confidently and fluently. Are you ready? Tip 1. Speak every day. Even if you speak for just 5 minutes, do it every day. You can talk to yourself, repeat sentences, or practice with a friend. Consistency is the secret. David, do you speak English every day?
Now I do. I practice with videos like this every day.
That's perfect. Keep it up. Tip 2. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are lessons. Every mistake teaches you something new. Native speakers make mistakes too. So don't worry. Just keep speaking. David, do you feel afraid of mistakes?
Yes. Sometimes I worry people will laugh at me.
Listen, David. Real people respect learners. If someone laughs, they don't matter. Focus on people who support you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Emma. I feel better now.
Tip 3. Think in English. Don't translate. This is so important. When you translate in your head, you speak slowly. Instead, try to think in simple English. For example, don't think, "How do I say this perfectly?" Just say it simply. Practice thinking in English, and your brain will get faster. Tip 4. Use what you learn immediately. When you learn a new word or phrase, use it the same day. Write a sentence. Say it out loud. Use it in conversation. This helps your brain remember. David, will you use the new words we learned today?
Yes. I'll practice them tonight.
Excellent. Tip 5. Be patient with yourself. Learning English takes time. Some days you'll feel great. Some days you'll feel stuck. That's normal. Don't give up. Progress is not always fast, but it's always happening. Believe in yourself. You will speak fluently. Trust the process.
Thank you, Emma. I really needed to hear that.
You're welcome, my friend.
Honestly, I feel so much better. At the beginning, I was nervous. I thought I couldn't speak well, but now I feel more confident. I know I still make mistakes, but I'm not afraid anymore. I'm making progress, and that makes me happy.
All right, everyone. That's the end of day 4 of our 10-day English Fluency challenge here on Speakup with Emma English podcast. But before you go, I want to tell you something important. You are not alone in this journey. Millions of people around the world are learning English just like you. Some days are easy. Some days are hard. But every single day you practice, you get stronger. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Are you better than yesterday? Even a little bit. Then you're winning. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency is about being confident, speaking naturally, and not being afraid. So here's what I want you to do. First, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We're creating a 10-day English fluency challenge, and I don't want you to miss any day. Second, watch this lesson again. Yes, again. Repetition is the mother of skill. The more you listen, the more you learn. Third, practice today's sentences out loud. Speak to yourself. Speak to a friend. Just speak. Fourth, share this episode with someone who's learning English. Help them grow too. And finally, believe in yourself. You are capable. You are strong. You will speak English fluently. Tomorrow, we'll meet again for day 5. We'll learn even more, practice even more, and grow even more together. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for not giving up. This is Speak Up with Emma English Podcast. I'm Emma, and I'll see you tomorrow. Keep speaking. Keep believing. Keep shining. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.